Good morning. Good morning, children. Now, the fourth part of the second chapter, Biosphere, we are going to read about it. Biosphere means it is made up of, consisted of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. The biosphere, in we can say in simple word, all the things land, water, air, which one is very important for the living being, that one is made biosphere. With living beings made biosphere. The part of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. It is a definition. Here also telling ki biosphere include lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Biosphere is one of the important spheres on earth. Surely it is very important. Without biosphere there is no importance of other spheres. No valuation is there. If human beings is not there, landforms are not there, living creatures are not there, though, so no valuation is there of other spheres like lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Biosphere is one of the important spheres on Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system having biosphere. Solar system already in 8 planet. Only in our Earth only we can get water for sustain. That's why here written Earth is the only planet in the solar system having biosphere. Other planet did not exist other spheres or biospheres. Biosphere includes vegetation, animals, insects, and human beings. Means all the living creature. It includes all the living creature, like that plants also including animals, insect, and human beings also comes under biosphere. We obtain food and many other necessary things from biosphere. From biosphere means what is food we are getting and other necessary thing we are getting from the biosphere. We cannot live without vegetation and animals. Biosphere is the base of our existence and living. It is divided into two parts, non-living and living. Non-living things means which one is not breathing, that like that metallic things, oil, so petrol, diesel, which one is very important for us, but it is not it is a not non-living things. Or living things means plants, animals, human beings exist. Hydrosphere and atmosphere form the non-living part, while plants, animals, and microorganisms are included in the living world. Here written already what is non-living thing. Hydrosphere means water, atmosphere means air. These are coming under non-living things. And living things means which one is breathing, that is animals and microorganisms, plants, human beings, everything are coming in it. So very clearly now we came to know what is the meaning of biosphere. Biosphere means all type of living things existed in that, with also lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere also included in this sphere. Without each other there is no valuation of any spheres. Now what is here written? If man harms the earth by this his activity, then do you think it will affect these spheres? Now the biosphere finish. We read about lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Biosphere now we read and now finished. Now what the next topic is telling we are using our natural things, all the things according to our needs, but we are not using it properly, and we just hazard our nature, polluted our nature, how we polluted our nature, atmosphere, and which creates sometimes problem to human beings also, as you can see this time only, due to some people bad mindy only, this coronavirus spread everywhere all over the world, and we are suffering with it. That is a problem ki we are using the natural sources and man-made sources, misusing and creating problem in the world. Now see in this stanza how we are affecting knowingly and unknowingly our nature. Effect of human activities on species. Human beings knowingly and unknowingly undertake many activities for their development. Means so human beings sometimes knowingly means janbujh ke, sometimes unknowingly also they are taking the resources unnecessarily and fulfilling their wishes and creating natural problem in the world. Human action causes an imbalance in the different spheres. Human action means human beings, due to his knowledge and skills, they are utilizing the natural things from the nature, misusing, and sometimes it's create imbalance. Imbalance means sometimes something is, which one is renewable things, which one is finished. Now we cannot get it again back. So sometimes it's finished. That is creating imbalance in the nature. That is telling human action causes an imbalance in the different spheres. That's why our we are using so many type of vehicles, which one is factories also um, emitted so many bad gases. Vehicles are creating, throwing out carbon dioxide gases, and which one create our atmosphere unpure and unpure. Like that land, although people are digging unknowingly for groundwater and for minerals, and it create weak our landforms also in this. That's why sometimes earthquake also appear through the human activities only. Underground, due to this the balance of various sphere is threatened. You can see before the coronavirus, we are just, you can see the metropolitan cities, the people are cities, you can see you cannot get the fresh air for breathing. Every time you, whatever you are inhaling, you are having some lungs problem, cannot get fresh air or like that problem, because people are creating the pollution in this world. And now due to the coronavirus lockdown, now you can see in the news so many rivers, sources, everything are now become again pure. No pollution is there. Atmosphere also become very clean. You can get fresh air also. So you can see this this things you can get now only. You can see the news and you can write also about it, pollution, or how the man polluted our atmosphere. Underground nuclear testing, too much drilling for minerals, oil, excessive drilling of the tube wells affect the lithosphere. That you know, in our Mundrai also so many houses they just constructed, they are drilling and taking out the bore water, and this one create the weaken our uh, lithosphere. Sometime underground nuclear testing also they are doing, as you have seen that movie Pokhran, I think so. So they just dig out, they just find out a well, and inside the well they just tested the nuclear weapon. In this way also create a vibration in all the layers of the lithosphere and create problems for the landform. Too much drilling for minerals, drilling means khud ke oil nikalna, excessive drilling of tube wells affect the lithosphere and causes an imbalance. The dumping of waste from villages and cities along with industries waste into the water bodies pollute them. Dumping means now land lithosphere, how the lithosphere is polluted. People are throwing so many things, garbages here and there. Sometimes they are industry people, they just throwing the waste material and on the landform as well as in the water also. The polar caps have started melting due to increasing heat. Due to a lot of factories and poisonous gases, now the atmosphere of our earth become polluted and it's create pollution. Heat is increasing day by day because it's damage the ozone layer, and that's why a lot of due to damage of ozone layer, now earth is getting more sunlight, and this one is create one type of temperature, high temperature around the world, and it is affected the our glaciers also. Now a lot of glaciers in a year you can say melted, converted into water, and this way it is affected to our ice zone also, we can say. Then another things, the oil spills from ships and disposal of industrial and chemical waste into the water causes the destruction of the marine life, which is highly dangerous for the hydrosphere. Marine life means the aquatic animal, the animal which one is living underwater, that is called marine life, which one is highly affected due to the human activity, because sometimes industries people are throwing the waste liquid, poisonous liquid into the water also, and which one create damage to the existed uh, aquatic animals. They just now their species are going to finish in the water also. Sometimes oils which one is drilling in the sea only, crude oil, that one sometime by mistake accident happen and it's spilled all over the sea area and mix with water and create problem for the aquatic animals. Harmful gases emitted by industries, workshop, power station and vehicles polluted air. The areas with the higher frequency of vehicles show increased rate of carbon monoxide in the air. Here telling higher frequency of vehicle means a lot of, now every day you can see in each home 4 to 3 vehicles are there, and all people are having especially individual their own vehicle, and they are using every day and emitting poisonous gases which mix in the air and create pollution in the world. The areas with the higher frequency of vehicles show increased rate of carbon monoxide in the air. So in this line we can came to know which gases are emitting from the vehicles. Carbon monoxide is coming out from the vehicles. The amount of carbon dioxide is in the air increases due to the cutting of trees. Now what is telling next line, the amount, why the carbon dioxide increasing day by day, because due to pollution now people are making houses and they are cutting the farmhouses and forest, and they are making their buildings, houses, flats there, and that's why purifier is natural purifier is not there. Tree is the purifying our atmosphere. It inhale all the carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. But if the are not there, then how these poisonous gases will be purifying? So that's why this creating problem in the world. Cutting of trees, heat on the earth increases due to increase in carbon dioxide in air. In this way human activities affect the biosphere. So in this stanza very clearly everything is written, how the lithosphere is affected, how the hydrosphere is affected, how the atmosphere is affected by the human activity. The nurturing links of nature are endangered due to the exploitation of environment which endangers the biosphere. Now telling due to this last line, exploitation of environment mean excessive use of something. Which one means exploitation means sometimes when you the things which one is limited and you are using excessively in that and beyond that capacity, that is called exploitation. तो एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट माने एनवायरनमेंट को ज़बरदस्ती ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करना अपने बेनिफिट के लिए विच इंडेंजर द बायोस्फीयर विच वन इज़ क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम in near future to the biosphere means living all the living creature will affected with this and non-living things and everything. So we have to use our environment or natural things properly, utilize it consciously. Now this chapter is finished almost. Now fill-ups is there. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. There are totally 4 spheres on the earth. Lithosphere covers approximately dash percentage of surface of the earth. Lithosphere include lithosphere means land 30%, you can say a 29%. The most prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is the hydrosphere. The most prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is liquid component, liquid in water. Hydrosphere made of water makes up dash percent of the surface of the earth. Hydrosphere made of water makes up 70% of the surface of the earth cover. Dash gas absorb the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ozone gas absorb the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Give the meaning of the following terms. Now the children, you have to write a short note properly point wise about this sphere. See, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. And at last pollution. Pollution, you can get the last stanza. You can get the answer of your short note of pollution from there. Now question number 4, state whether the following statements are true or false. The earth is a member of the solar family, right? The proportion of water on the surface of the earth is less than the proportion of land. Wrong. Water proportion is more than land. The fresh water is a gift of hydrosphere, right? Oxygen dilutes nitrogen. This one is oxygen dilute. Wrong. Now explain how the following are the related to your life. No need to do this one. Then question, what is there? The question, what do you know about our earth? Write a short note. In the first stanza you can get already about our earth. You can start. It is the earth is the one of the member of solar family. It exists like that. You can start and some points you drag out from the second stanza. How much time was taken by the earth to reach its present form after being detached from the sun? Why? It is like that 4 million years. 4 million years you can write. And why will write from the second stanza ki it took time like that to cool down. Earlier it was a one part of solar of the sun, which one is detached due to some circumstance. Afterward it cool down and convert like that earth. How are the spheres of the earth interrelated? How are the spheres of the earth interrelated? That you have to write. There are 4 spheres: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. All are interrelated because there is no importance of without each other. If the landform is not there, to where the non-living beings will be existed. If the atmosphere is not there, so living being cannot breathe, cannot sustain in this world. If the hydrosphere is not there, so then living beings cannot get water for drinking, and without water nothing will be possible will not get drinking water, as well as some people cannot cultivate crops. Factories cannot be run because some factories needed water also. So without hydrosphere, so very difficult. And if the non-living things are not there, no, so then no value of their land, water, air. Living being is existed. That's why their skills are, our knowledge utilizing the landform, atmosphere, hydrosphere, like that. In this way you can write this answer ki all the spheres are dependent on each other, like that.